Go for another swim.
What? Mackenzie, how's your phone doing? Oh. She doesn't care. Look at him. Look at his belly picture. Are you that freak? Did you ever even think of doing that?
I'll go do it.
He won't. I'll give it. Don't go do that, Nathan. Yes, do it, Nathan. Yeah.
Don't make me on it. I don't want to do it. I want to do it.
Okay. Nathan, don't go swimming that. You swim and go empty, get warm.
It's not like this clothes is any good. These shoes are fucking
Man,
out.
6 floor empty is hot as mud. Just go up there after this. Holy fuck, I've had fun.
Jesus! Getting soaked.
Nathan, don't go fucking swimming. Oh, it's fucking fart. Look at Nathan squirt. Nathan, don't get out of that. You look like an idiot. You look like an idiot. Dude, car's coming in, Rob. Oh,
Oh, juice.
Mackenzie, get him. Go kick his bumper.
Kick his bumper.
Kick his bumper. Kick his bumper. Flip him off. Oh, shit. That was sick. Guys, flip him off, flip him off. Flip him off, please. Dude, no, that was sick. No, just... Hey.
Fuck.
Now you want to go for a swim?